Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a caricature from your selfie on the Photoshop application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the home button and tap on face retouch. Here you should select selfie or the picture that you want to edit, and then click on the caricature section. As you slide to the left side at the bottom of the page, you can find this option. Click on it, and here you can set or select from the presets. Here you have a bunch of options you can choose from. As you can see, most of them are only available to premium users, but you can also set certain features as you tap on the features option. You can select the or modify the face, forehead, jaw, mouth, chin, eyes, eyebrow and nose, so that you can create your customized caricature. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.